Alright, this video is going to cover solving logarithmic equations. Starting out with the most basic of types, let's just say we have log base 3 of x plus 4 equals log base 3 of 2x minus 1. Okay, most basic type right here, there's a lot of these. You'll see a log equals a log. Well, anytime you have log base 3 equals log base 3 or log base anything equals log base anything, you can cancel these out and just set these two things equal to each other. X plus 4 equals 2x minus 1. Subtract your x. 4 equals x minus 1. Add the 1. 5 equals x. Okay? So anytime that you're dealing with log equals log, cancel them out and solve. If you're dealing with a log equals log, so, I don't know, let's just say log base 12. Okay, cancel them out. Now you have x squared plus 5x equals negative 2x minus 10. In a scenario like this, you're dealing with a quadratic function, so that means you need to get rid of, or you need to solve, so that means you need to get x by itself. So x squared plus 5, or 7x, sorry, plus 10 equals 0. Factor it, as we would do with all quadratics. X plus 5, x plus 2, x equals negative 5 and negative 2. The only thing here is that when you plug it back in, it has to give you a positive number. And if we plug it in here, it gives me 0, which is fine. It gives me 0 here, which is fine. But if I plug this negative 2 in right here, then that gives me 4. 4 minus 10 is negative 6. That's not okay, so that solution's not going to work. We're just going to end up with that, okay? So the thing inside of here must be positive, okay, at all times, even up here on this problem. Once we plug the x's back in, that has to be a positive, okay? So what happens if we have a log that doesn't equal another log? So maybe it's something like that. Well, once we have a scenario like this, you have to rewrite it as an exponential, okay? And remember we said base to the other side equals back to the same side. So 25 equals x, and that would be our solution, okay? So if you don't have a log on each side, make sure you rewrite it as an exponential. So if you don't have a log equal a log, rewrite as an exponential. Another problem. Okay. This time we have a 2 out in front. You need to get rid of that 2 first. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. So we have log base 3 of x plus 2 equals 3. Rewrite it as an exponential because we don't have log equals log. 3 to the third equals x plus 2. 3 to the third is 27. Equals x plus 2, subtract 2. X equals 25. All right, so anytime you have something like this, make sure to get the log by itself, rewrite it as an exponential, and solve it. If you have something along the lines, it might look like this. Okay, well, you need to rewrite it as an exponential, but you don't know what the base is. If there's not a base there, it's understood to be 10, so this would just be like 10 to the x equals 100. So 10 squared, so x equals 2. All right, so if there's not a base, the base is understood to be 10. So recapping our steps real quickly, If it's log equals log, cancel and solve. Okay? If it's not log equals log, then get log by itself. Rewrite as exponential. And solve. Alright, that's a basic video on solving logs. Once you finish this video, there's 2 worksheets for you, and then you should be able to do your test or your topic mastery on solving logs.